Hello friends, we always try to bring you a new articles of home decor, and today we try to bring you a variety of upholstered beds, and they are a new article of this century, and this is definitely different from the furniture in 1900s, and this is just beautiful and amazing. It looks a neat and immaculate look because sometimes uh, leather has been used for the upholstery, sometimes velvet has been used, and they look such a neat and beautiful look to your home. And all the surfaces are balanced and intricately designed, and they look just beautiful. And the choice of upholstery and is definitely the choice of customer, and they have to choose the cloth and the color. So we tried to bring you amazing colors of upholstered beds, some in light colors, some in darker colors, and some are even floral upholstered beds, and some are jutted with buttons and leather, and they give just a beautiful luxury look to your bedroom because they are made with leather or velvet, so they are a bit high in prices, but they are just beautiful. And they have different kinds of headboards. Some can be large, some can be small, some can be wider, and making them upholstered is a beauty, or is an addition to the beauty of your room, where you can choose the other things according to the uh, color of your bed. And upholstered beds can be vibrant in colors or can be lighter in colors, but they are a modern article of furniture, and they are definitely used in modern decor, modern home decor. And when you are decorating your bedroom in a modern style, you're going to bring more chances are there that you are going to bring this upholstered bed, because it's going to give a neat, clean, and immaculately designed look to your room. And their colors can be chosen according to the theme of the room. And as always, we try to bring a large quantity of upholstered beds so you can enjoy the variety, and you can know their styles and you can choose if you want to choose. And please like and subscribe our video if you like it, so we can bring new videos, and you can be the first to watch them. And please give it a thumbs up, and thank you.